Okay, so we're going to talk dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis simply means that we're going to convert from one set of units to another set of units. So here's an example. We're going to convert 2.70 liters to fluid ounces. 2.70 liters, and 1 liter is going to be equivalent to 33.81 ounces. We got that information off of our conversion table. It's either been supplied for you, you've looked it up on the internet, whatever the case may be. Now we set this up to look like a multiplication problem, and when we do that, we know that we have units that can cancel, right? So if our 2.70 liters times 33.81 ounces over 1 liter, our liters cancel, and we're left with ounces. So we do the math, we come up with 91.287 ounces, and we know that because the ounces are the one unit that's left after we do our conversion. Okay, so we're going to talk about dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis simply means that we're going to convert from one set of units to another set of units. So let's give this one a try. We have an example. We're going to convert 2.70 liters to fluid ounces. We've got 2.70 liters, and 1 liter is going to be equivalent to 33.81 ounces. We know that because we got that information off of a conversion table that was supplied to us, or we looked it up on the internet, whatever the case may be. So when we set this up, we're setting it up essentially to be a multiplication problem. And when you set it up to be multiplication, we know that we have units that are going to cancel because what's under that 2.70 liters is a 1, correct? So our liters cancel, we do the math, we come up with 91.287 ounces. And we know that it's ounces because after we do our conversion and our liters cancel, the ounces is the only unit that's left. Okay, so let's talk dimensional analysis. So dimensional analysis simply means we're going to convert from one set of units to another set of units. And here we have an example problem. We're going to convert 2.70 liters to fluid ounces. First thing we're going to do is put our 2.7 liters up on the board. We're going to set it up as a multiplication problem. We know that 1 liter is equivalent to 33.81 ounces. We know that because we got it off of a conversion table. We looked it up on the internet, whatever the case may be, that's how we got that information. So if we're setting this up to be a multiplication problem, we automatically know we have units that are going to cancel, and that's going to be our liters. And when we do the math, we've set it up again as a multiplication problem, we're going to come up with 91.87 ounces. And the reason we know it's ounces is because that is the last unit standing once all of our units have canceled.